So hi guys, creating this video after a very long time. So sorry for that, for remaining inactive for a while. So this is actually INST Mohali. So its full form stands for Institute of Nanoscience and Technology. It is established by the Department of Science and Technology. It's basically a research laboratory focused to nanoscience and technology. So I have came here for my developing my master's thesis. For 6 months I was staying here. So this is basically my last day here. I am leaving for ISR Kolkata. So before leaving, you guys like the last hostel tour a lot. That is basically the video which got maximum response. So I thought I should show you the hostels of INST as well because it's even better, I feel. So let's start. So, these are the hostels from the outside. The left one is a boys hostel and the right one is a girls hostel, and there you see is the main building where the most of the labs are there and actual research work happens in that building. And this is the utility complex where daily necessities shops are available, and very close by to it there are few temples. So this is the entrance of the hostels. So here all the vehicles of PhD students, because this is a lab, this is not an actual academic institute. This is basically a research laboratory established by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. So most of the students are PhD students here who are researchers, junior research fellows or senior research fellows. Apart from that, some students came from other academic institution or other institution for a small project or internship. So this is Trishul Boys Hostel, where boys are accommodated. So you can see it is basically a 4-floor apartment. Just right in front of that we have girls hostel. It's a very similar building. Its name is Nanda Devi Girls Hostel. I hope you cannot see actually because it's dark there. So I am shooting this video actually very early in the morning. It's 4 a.m. and we have a beautiful moon as well today. Not so much visible, but yes, it's a gorgeous moon actually, as always. So now let's walk inside the boys hostel. As usual, this guy is sleeping. So this is the dining area where all the researchers have their meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. This is the ground floor. So basically this is the one stairs to go above, and this is the hostel. We also have an elevator. So these are all the rooms on the ground floor. This is how it looks. So our elevator has arrived. So this is where clothes of people are here. So it's getting dried. So before showing you the room, let me show you the bathrooms. So this is one washroom. See. So this side we have all the bathroom area, and this is the toilet area. And here there is a washing machine placed for the clothes washing purposes as usual. And this is the wash basin area. Now let's move towards the room. So that is that elevator from which we entered. So this is how when you come to the first floor. This is a small balcony area. So you can have a little sneak peek outside as well. So basically this building is INST Mohali. It's very near, just the boundary wall difference is there. It's very near to INST Mohali. This is the hostel of INST Mohali, and this is our hostel of INST. So without any delay, let's move towards our room. So this is my room 111. So I enter. So this is how it looks like. So this was my side. It's completely packed up now as I'm leaving for ISR Kolkata. So this is my baggage, and this was my roommate was living on this side. So this was his side, and this was my side. So this is all the furniture provided by INST only, including the mattress. So that is a very good thing actually, which I liked a lot about it, about the management here. That. And the another best part of the room is the balcony. That's why I call it better than ISR Kolkata, because in this room, basically first of all, for both the bed area we have a window above, and the window is very nice. It also has this net kind of flap and another solid flap, so you always get in touch with the nature outside. As you see, it's 4 a.m. It's a beautiful morning today. So I actually woke up daily by the chirping sounds of birds, which I like a lot. I don't need alarm. That's the best thing. And then this is the entrance to the balcony. It's a nice, decent, small area. Like at the end of the day, you can sit and just a calm campus. So this is the backside portion of INST where this hostel is there. You have nice flowers and all here. So I often enjoy this view in the mornings and evenings. And this is the rooms of other people. So it's basically a common balcony here, and this is the case in first floor only. From second floor we have each room has its own private balcony like that. You can see, I hope you can see that in that manner. And this is our room. So that was a small room tour of this room which was provided to us at INST. I find it pretty amazing. And
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.